The Kuleshov effect is a technique used in making films. It was first shown by a filmmaker named Lev Kuleshov from Russia long ago, between 1910 and 1920. This technique is related to how people think when they watch movies. When we watch two scenes one after the other, it can make us feel a certain way or understand something better than if we just saw one scene alone. This is why how a movie is put together is very important, because it can change how we feel and what we think about the story. There is a rule in psychology known as the peak-end rule. This rule suggests that people tend to remember experiences based on particular moments that stand out rather than the experience as a whole. These moments are usually the most exciting or intense parts of the experience and the way it ends. The length of the experience is not as important as the intensity of these moments and how it concludes. This rule is most applicable when an experience has a clear beginning and end, such as a vacation or a meal at a restaurant. The peak-end rule is a helpful principle for businesses and people who want to improve customer satisfaction by focusing on creating positive and memorable moments during an experience. The word prototypical means the most usual or common form of something. It's used in different areas like science, psychology, and linguistics to describe the most common example of a category or concept. Here's an example to illustrate this point. Suppose you are making a video about a superhero, and your pet cat is stuck up in a tree. In the video, you can show a man wearing a cape, your cat stuck in a tree, and a picture of you holding the cat, looking happy. Viewers will assume that the man in the cape has the ability to fly and that he rescued the cat. The image of a man donning a cape has become prototypical with the concept of a superhero. These fictional characters are often portrayed as possessing extraordinary physical abilities, such as superhuman strength and agility. They can also perform seemingly impossible feats, such as flying through the air with the greatest of ease.